Okay, so I want to do a quick overview of the events. This is going to be for some folks, actually for everybody. It should have some unique, hopefully unfamiliar aspects. That's what's going to make this event allow all of us to grow as operators at height. So the first day is education day. That'll be 10 hours of training from the 5 instructors that I brought on board. That's going to be a great day. My hope is that if the instructors can handle it, it goes a bit longer. Something to keep in mind both on the educational day and the individual events day. Those instructors, with the exception of Jeff Inman, will be available to help you for those folks that are going to go on to the Masters, because there will be, you're going to want to practice some moves. Let's just put it that way. All right, not sandbagging anybody, but the Masters will be challenging. All right, so this is aerial rescue, and this is aerial rescue as it should be practiced in competitions. We're going to be really big on primary assessment of your patient, making that patient contact, trauma care, what we call stop and fix situations, and then knowing how to do a focused spinal exam. So that is incorporated into every individual rescue event. So we're going to have, number one, pick off on ascent, which means when we're using 2 rope systems and everything, you're climbing your victim's belay line, backing up on their access line, accessing them, getting above them, getting them off of their ascent system, transferred over to you, and bringing them down. So I say get on videos, start looking at Spratt and IRATA pick-off methods, because that's going to help you if you don't come from that background. So we'll have pick-off on ascent, pick-off on descent, right? That's 2 events. Another drill, which is a fundamental basic skill set that everybody should know, is raise lower system with a knot pass. And the knot pass will either be on raise or either be on lower, just to be expedient, okay? And again, we're running 2 rope systems. We will be doing that event on a twin tension system, which will make it a little bit easier and keep it more streamlined. And it is the way that a lot of rescue services are progressing. Then we're going to have an event where it's an elevator pickoff. Your dealer's choice, stationary rope system or moving rope system, do not care, but there will be an elevator pickoff of an injured climber. There's also going to be a long rebelay, and it may be difficult to see behind me. Had I not destroyed my shoulder 6 weeks ago, I'd be doing a demonstration of that now. Hopefully in the next 4 or 5 weeks, I can get a video in, demonstrate that. But that's another one that you can look up. Look up long rebelay, all right? It's an easy one, and it'll be fun. That's a straight up timed event. And then the 6th and final individual event will be a spar pole rescue, where you will actually be accessing a injured climber at the top of a spar and dealing with all the limitations of that type of rescue scenario. So that's our 6 individual events. And again, the top 12 finishers of the individual events go on to form 3 teams for the Masters Challenge, right? The Masters Challenge will be a complex rescue that's going to require horizontal movement of your patients, and keep in mind that's pluralized, patients. A given distance, in the neighborhood of 100 feet, I'll just let you know that, horizontally transport them to the ground, okay? Those 3 teams will get the same 3 rope rescue medics attached to them, because you are going to need their expertise to complete this rescue, all right? So that's our individual events, giving you a rough idea of what to expect. Get on the Google machine. It's going to give you some help. We'll have the rules for each event out soon, and the scoring criteria. Scoring criteria is going to be fairly simple, okay? Remember, this is all about education, but we're going to have that competitive atmosphere to create a stressor to make this be really good training at the same time. So that's the rundown of the individual events, what's going to happen for the Masters. Keep in mind, if you want to get maximum benefit from this event, enter as a competitor. But I do need volunteers big time, all right? Thank you.